Reflector is a custom mesh op that creates 2D shapes, and arrays of shapes, for use as luminous polygons, reflectors and cards. To add a reflector to your scene, click on the Reflector button. Next, set the options in the pop-up panel, and then click Create Reflector. This will create and link together a reflector mesh op, an output mesh item, and a material mask. The shapes are UV mapped, allowing you to easily add your own images, for example, high dynamic range images of real lights. If you choose to add a gradient, then one will be added to the material mask. And its texture locator will be parented to the reflector's output mesh. Even better, the gradient is automatically set up to form a simple lumigon that you can easily build upon. You can adjust the shape and size of reflectors and other attributes in the Properties panel at any time. Remember, this is a procedural type. You can also clone and separate the shapes to create strips and grids of lights. Reflector's mesh output item works with the Place Highlight tool, enabling you to quickly align your reflector with respect to the render camera. Super handy. And you can make changes to the reflector at any time. You can access the online user guide for this kit by pressing F1 to activate the help system, then click on any of the first Light Kit buttons. And that concludes this look at how to use the Reflector Mesh op in Modo. For more detailed information about how to use this and other tools in the First Light Kit, visit thethirdguild.com.